Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then you have to enter Backup and Reset section, then go to the Backup My Data and turn on this feature. What you have to do next is to add your backup Google account. Of course, you will need internet connection to add Google account. So next, you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Next, you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Next, you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And for the last thing, you have to tap Accept here, and your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.